I tell you about the 10 snakes which are very dangerous, especially for human being. I am presenting this video in English language, telling the basic stories of these snakes. Snakes are fascinating creatures that play an extremely important role in balancing nature throughout the world. These reptiles have absolutely amazing characteristics despite having no legs, eyelids or external air. To distinguish certain species of snakes, may herpetologists characterize serpents by their color, size, length and venom. We have 10 species which we describe one by one. First is olive python. The olive python is one of the largest snake in Australia, measuring out of just over 4 meters. They received their name because of their olive green coloration. These snakes are non-venomous constrictor who eat small mammals, birds and other reptiles. It means this snake is especially not attack on human being, but only attacks and eats bird and other reptiles. This is one of the most longest snake. It points 10. Point 9, black mamba. The black mamba is the largest venomous snake found in Africa. One of the largest was received at 4.3 meters. These snakes are not only one of the largest but also one of the fastest and most aggressive snake in the world. These snakes have been known to eat small mammals, bats and other birds. Black mamba is also known for venomous, and its venom is very harmful for human beings, especially when he bites a man. So we have also described about the black mamba also in other videos, but now I am telling you about black mamba in this. Its point is 9. Point 8 is boa constrictor. This is also a snake which is a very dangerous to human being. Popular snake, boa constrictor are a popular snake because of their beautiful color, and they are not particularly dangerous to humans. They are extremely hard to identify because their coloring can differ from one local to the next. Boa constrictors tend to prey on mice, rats, lizards, bats and more. It means that we are just describing about this boa constrictor, that it eats mice, rats and other lizard and reptiles, small reptiles. This is a very important snake. Point 7 is a king cobra. We also know about a king cobra. This is a very dangerous and very venomous snake in the world. We tells much about this. King cobra are the world's largest venomous snake with maximum length measuring up to a little over 5.7 meters. This fearsome snake predominantly prey on other snake and is found in India and Southeast Asia. If this serpent thinks you are threatened, it will rear up its body and flash its fangs and hides and hiss. Burmese python. Point 6. The Burmese python is one of the two subspecies of pythons, molarms. Burmese pythons, which is slightly longer, Indian rock python, which is slightly shorter. The Burmese python can be found in Southeast Asia. They are non-venomous constrictor and other very popular among snakes. These snakes have been known to eat birds, rodents and mammals such as rabbits. Point 5. African rock python. Point 5. The African rock python is one of the largest snake found in Africa. One African rock python was claimed to have 7 meters and it was found with a 1.5 meter Nile crocodile and its stomach. Point 4. Green anaconda. The green anaconda is one of the heaviest and longest snake in the world, reaching up to 7 meters in length and 25 km, 5 kgs in weight. Many legends report the anaconda as being a man-eater due to their size, but there is little evidence that supports this activity. They are primarily aquatic and eat a wide variety of food items ranging from fish, birds, mammals and other reptiles. Point 3. Amethystine python. Amethystine python, also called the python, can be found in Indonesia, Papua New Guinea and Australia. There are reports of these snakes exceeding 8.5 meters long in length. This is another popular snake among reptile enthusiasts worldwide due to its coloration, size, length. This generally eats birds, bats, rodents and other small mammals. Point 2 is, actually I am not telling more and more about these snakes, which I am telling to you about these 10 longest snake in the world. Due to shortage of time and many other problems which I want to tell about shortly. Point 2 is reticulated python is known to be the world's largest snake and it has been recorded to reach 10 meters. It is 10 meters means it is a very long snake. These non-venomous snakes are found in Southeast Asia. Their typical diet consists of mammals and occasionally birds. Titanobia. Titanobia is 0.1 and the longest snake that ever lived, and fossils of the massive snake were found in Colombia. Researchers estimate that the Titanobia would measure 12 to 15 meters long in length and 1000 kg and measuring up to and weight it is 2200 pound in weight. This video which I have prepared for you about the 10 snakes which are very long and which are very important, but just we think about these and think that they are eater of man and disturb the man, but some are venomous and other are not venomous. This video is presented by informative channel which provide you general knowledge, biography and other short films to tell you. Please like this video, share this video, because I have created this with great struggle and strive. Thank you for watching. We meet again inshallah tomorrow.